Alexa, grind coffee.
I got a new N600 grinder. Out of the box, it comes with a 250 gram hopper and canister. I got some upgrades like a single dose hopper with bellows and a spout nozzle extension. Oh, don't forget, I got a 51 millimeter stainless steel dosing cup.
Alexa, grind coffee.
This thing vibrates a bit, so the dosing cup dances. Yes, there's no magnet on it. So what I did is I put a little rubber mat. It's a flat burr grinder. This thing can grind pretty finely, fine enough to choke the machine. Now looking at the burrs, when it was brand new, I had to align it, and I did the ink test on the burrs for alignment. This grinder is a 220 volt grinder and it's rated at 180 watts. Now let's make some espresso.
Alexa, grind coffee.
It only has one switch in the back and that's all you need to do for its operation. It's basically just an on-off system. So what I did is I attached a smart switch to it and created some Alexa commands to get this thing running. I set it to run for 25 seconds. Basically that's what an 18 gram dose on the average needs.